Hey, are you Tom Dykstra?
Yeah, I'm just closing down. If you need some work done, I'll be back open Monday at 7.
Oh, no. I don't need work done. I came to you to talk about the situation between our boys.
Situation? Who are you?
Oh, Drew Simpson. My son's Ian.
I'm sorry, I got grease on my hands. Now, what's this about the situation?
Your son Jason seems to be having some issues with my son Ian.
Well, really, he didn't mention anything to me.
Well, I guess we don't always know what's going on with our kid's social life. But Ian is pretty upset. He got into a fight with your son. He came home with a black eye, some nasty bruises. Since Jason's been bullying him for weeks.
Is that right? Well, Jason plays varsity football, you know. He's just laying off some steam.
Well, maybe you could steer your son towards more productive activity other than hounding my son?
What can I say, man? Boys will be boys.
Look, I'm asking you to teach your son that it's not right to bully others.
Or maybe you should teach your son how not to be a pussy.
Now, look, I spent a lot of time teaching Ian that he should walk away from unnecessary conflict. But maybe I should teach him how to fight back.
Hey, if he has it in him.
And if he doesn't?
Hey, like I said, man, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
Yeah, well, as a parent, it's my job to make sure that no one gets killed, especially my son. Look, he's a small guy, okay? He's not even close to being athletic, you know? He's one of those smart kids, all right? You know the type, studies hard, gets good grades.
Good for him.
Look, man, I figure the simplest solution is for you to talk to Jason and just ask him to lay off Ian, okay? You know? Look, I'm asking you, one parent to another.
Yeah, I can't do that.
You can't or you won't?
Look, man, 10 years, 20 years from now, high school's gonna be a distant memory for these two boys. All right? Only one difference is one of them still gonna be a pussy.
Oh. Well, I guess I'm wasting my time. You know, as a father, I would risk anything to keep my child safe. And I do mean anything. So, maybe you want to reconsider my request.